Welcome to the Weather Centre as we wrap up the work week. Friday morning starts off with fog along the northeastern escarpment, and we're expecting some fog over the southern part of the Western Cape. That keeps temperatures cool and also brings in a slight possibility of drizzle over that part of South Africa. Other than the fog, though, fine and dry weather is forecast over the western part of the country, and overall we're expecting a mostly sunny and mild day across South Africa, but with a warm forecast over parts of KZN, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Here's our rainfall probability map showing that dry forecast across South Africa, other than the very slight chance of drizzle over the southern part of the Western Cape, and that's mainly in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas. It's a mild end to the work week for Gauteng with highs in the low 20s, 23 degrees for Mahikeng and Kimberley. We head into the mid-20s for KwaZulu-Natal and Bombela, 22 as we head into East London and Polokwane. 19 degrees along the coast from George through to Port Elizabeth. Another warm afternoon for Uppington at 26, and Cape Town finally reaching that 20-degree mark in the afternoon. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected on Friday, with a light southerly wind from Langoban through to Namakwaland, with a moderate southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay and a 1.5 metre swell at 12 seconds. In the southwest, we're expecting a light to moderate southeasterly wind for Cape Town, with the possibility of fog and even drizzle for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with a moderate east-southeasterly wind. In the southwest, we're expecting a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Along the south coast, good beach conditions are expected with light and variable winds. You'll see a light south-southeasterly wind for Mussel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with a light southeaster for Jeffreys Bay and a light northwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth. And along the south coast, we'll see a 2 metre swell with a wave period of 12 seconds. Along the east coast, good beach conditions are expected on Friday with a moderate northeasterly wind with wind speeds of around 25 kilometres per hour. And we're expecting a small swell of only 1 metre from the south-southwest with a wave period of 14 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Friday.